Right, here's something really sick that we built the last few days. So we use Slack for all our communication, and specifically we use Linear for task management. So Linear is very similar to ClickUp in case you never used it before, or any sort of like project management tool, right? And what happens is I'm a lazy bastard, and a lot of the times I never make a linear task, so I just like voice note the team or just like ping them and just say, can you please do this and this and this? And obviously this is not a good thing. So I thought, how can we make this easier? So what we've created is an agent that lives in Slack. And for now, I just called it an AI task agent, but you can just give it a name. And basically I can just tell this agent to just create any task for me or update or give me information about any task. And I no longer have to just bug my team. Everything is in Linear, but I can just do it from my phone on the go, just in Slack. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you an example. So we have a client account here, AmiCredit, and we see we have some tasks in progress, nothing in to do. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this. Hey, can you please tell me what is in progress for AmiCredit, the RIA project? And let's just send it. And you will see, it takes a few seconds, of course, but it's gonna go ahead and use all the endpoints from Linear to pull all of the tasks and sort of understand, even though I didn't give it the exact name and stuff, it's gonna figure out exactly what I'm talking about. And you'll see, yeah, here the current tasks in progress from credit, RIA, and it's like something Twilio outbound, which is Laura's task, right? This is one for Jai, and then these are all the tasks, and you can see these are the actual tasks, right? Investigate Twilio, monitor, investigate Twilio. Sweet, right? So let's just say, and it also works with voice notes and images and stuff, so let's just go ahead and do this. Can you please create a task in this project in RIA for AmiCredit to update the scraping with Firecrawl? So let's just send this real quick. And obviously I didn't give it a lot of context. I just said, just create a to-do task, but it is really important for our team that every task has like a due date. It has like who is assigned to it. It has like a urgency and stuff. So the agent knows this. So it just goes ahead and says, okay, to create this task, which you want to do, I need to know who do I assign it, when is it due and stuff, what is priority. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, like, fair enough, right? Because we always need this information for every task that we have. So I'm just going to go ahead, hey, oh, wait. Hey, yeah, so assign it to David, so that's me. Due date tomorrow, and it's pretty urgent. And for labels, just add AmiCredit and just like bug or like improvement. So let's just go ahead. And let's just give it a second. And you'll see it's gonna create the task, and obviously always give the task, once it's created, return the task back to Slack as well, so it's easier to access it from Slack. It's just taking a second now to create it. Obviously, when you're on the go and stuff, it's not that important that it moves fast. And you can see the task is ready, right, for tomorrow, everything, and we can just open it in Linear. And, oh, wait, I'll just browse here. So you see it's here, it's for tomorrow, bug, AmiCredit, it's assigned to me and stuff. And I can just go ahead and make one last change, right? Because we want to create tasks, we want to delete tasks, and we want to update it, and just say, oh, actually, can you assign it to Laura, and can you do it for today? And let's just send this, and now it's going to be able to update it. And the whole point of this is that probably I'm not the only lazy guy doing this. So instead of having to just rely on your teammates and give them extra work to just do tasks, or like being sloppy with tasks, it's better to just have this assistant where you can just like talk with it on the go and then just like manage everything. And also sometimes where I'm in the bus or I'm driving, I want to know what's going on with the client, I can just like hit record and say, you know, hey, can you give me all the tasks and that we have for a specific client, and then just walk through them, change some priorities and stuff. And you can see now it's Laura's, so she's subscribed to it and it's due today. So that's pretty much it. Super useful little tool. So if it's interesting, just let me know in the comments.